So this current vehicle, it is now sitting at Conscience Spring in my yard. I have it a sell. Back the owner.
Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla. Hey, Wagwan, Dancehall skilla here again. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. I have at least 2 videos that I'm going to present to you that I think you might find interesting. Okay, so try your best to do not let anger get the best of you. Try your best to avoid some type of confrontations. Now, my people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened during a confrontation or an argument between at least 2 persons. And the video shows one of those persons holding an object that is believed to be a knife. I don't know what might have caused that type of situation or the confrontation between those persons, viewers, subscribers. And in my point of view, there was at least one person who was doing certain things to de-escalate that type of situation between those persons. That's what I said to you. And in my point of view, and based on certain things that I saw in the video, I think that one of those persons was behaving certain ways more than the other. Based on some words he said in the video, it made me assume as to what the situation might have been about. But I didn't get any confirmed information to determine what might have caused the confrontation or that situation between those persons. But look and listen to the video carefully, my people, and you can leave a comment or comments to let me know what you think, my people. Please bear in mind that this video shows an unfriendly situation between at least 2 persons. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Oh, you know now. Me ask you a question. Hello. You say me touch you. Who tap me on my face? Who tap me on my face? So, you know, like that side. One result. Chatting on my friend. Chatting make no sense. One result that way you have in the yard. Hello. One result. It's not quick. That's not true. I'm a kid, I'm not crying a piece for you. And I know your papa, I'm not crying a piece. I said, I'm making up with you have witness. And me said, me have witness. You first told me that you touch me. I said, first come to
People, you see that situation they look? Me not think that situation is safe now. Walk away from some type of confrontations. The way one person was walking towards the other person and then one person lift up the hand with an object that is believed to be a knife and all them things. You know, that not look safe. Anyway, people, so that's one topic right there. So if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show some things that happened when a person was being restrained by at least one person, viewers and subscribers. So, based on some words that have been said in the video by someone, and based on unconfirmed information that I got the understanding that the person who was being restrained by someone had been accused of wrongfully taking at least one thing from a person. Because in a part of the video, we hear when someone said these words. Listen. I do not have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded, viewers, subscribers. And I want you to please bear in mind that this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a person basically holding someone down on a part of a road. The video shows when the person who was restraining the person shoved and pushed the person, viewers, subscribers, and the person pushed the person to part of a structure, and the person also held the person down to a part of a pavement, viewers, subscribers. In a part of the video, I hear when the person who was being restrained said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said that the person can't breathe. You can also hear some words that have been said in the video that might give you some form of understanding about the situation. And before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Okay, so you understand, fix where you understand. Shit.
Oh yeah, I can't breathe right. You see it? I swear to you.
I tell you, you smoking, I can't even run good.
I can't breathe.
Well, I free to do this, and I just citizen actually.
But people, I don't know how that situation might have turned out in. No, I don't know how that situation turned out. But me hear the person said some words in the video that made me assume the person is guilty or not. You see what I said? Listen to this part.
I tell you, you smoking, I can't even run.
So those words that me and the person said in that part of the video made me assume if the person who was being restrained was guilty or not. What do you think? I take notice of the person's hands. I mean, the person was being restrained. I take notice of the person's hands and the way the person that behaved and the words that I listened in the video and so forth, because the video didn't clearly show everything. Right at the start of the video, I start notice certain things. It's a be careful out there, my people. Be careful and leave a comment or comments. Let me know what you think about that situation. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, viewers, subscribers, the next video that I'm going to present to you, I'm wondering if the video is of a real situation or not. But people, when you listen to this phone conversation, tell me if you believe this phone conversation. Because some words of me hearing this, it made me wonder. Oh, based on some words that I heard in this, it made me assume that someone somehow understand that someone was trying to scam the person. My people, if this video is of a real situation, OMG, listen for yourself, my people. Oh, and me somewhat blur out certain things because there are certain things when I really and truly want for sure. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
The NCD information.
Yes, so what I'll do, once you say you're going to have the security deposit done online, I'll get back to them and let them know. So I'll get the NCB information, we can have the transfer done. And from there, we can have the vehicle authorized and released and get to the police station, where from there, all of the rest of the business will be conducted face to face.
Okay. Alright, I have a next question. One last question.
Yeah, you can go ahead and ask.
Listen.
So, pertaining to this vehicle that will be released up and I make the payment and everything is sorted out and it has been released to go to the Canton Spring police station where I would get to see the vehicle in my likings and then we proceed to finish transaction and continue, right?
Yes.
So how is it that this vehicle will be leaving out of my house?
Yeah.
Pardon?
How is this vehicle would be leaving out of my yard?
I mean, this vehicle will be leaving out of your
Okay,
yard, no?
alright. Let me clarify it more. So this current vehicle, it is now sitting at Canton Spring in my yard. I have it a sell. Back the owner.
What you doing?
I want to feel car no dog.
One of the vehicle is at the...
Me say I bomb boy. Me say I want for the car the Canton Spring park up in my yard. At 200,000 mileage up on the car. How you get 40,000? Boy, you're not thief, you know you.
Yo, we get some.
All of my people, it really and truly have me thinking, what me here. Listen to the rest, my people, because I wonder if this video is of a real situation. I wonder, because if so, OMG. Listen, my people, listen.
I mean,
You're thief, you know, junk. That's how come on, that's no say every time me take so long to call back. I time me dog man. Right now me have everything pan. Don't feel like me can't find it now.
Yeah, man.
That's the longer conversation me need for find you.
Oh, you check.
Everything good man.
Yeah. New number.
Everything good man. I'll take this man.
Enough for we know.
I'll take this
one.
Can the man park the dog and dog I sell me car. And me can't view the car.
Oh yeah. Can't go for
Boy, we are Jamaican just like you to here. We fear chop out your
Where
head.
you come from?
You try chop out you, then say you idiot.
Where you come from? 40,000 miles from one.
Hey boy, you know see you a big clown. Where you come from? Hey boy, see you a clown.
My people, listen to me. The reason why I wonder if that video is of a real situation or not is because I say sometimes some people do some things and post it on social media with certain captions and try to make it seem a certain type of way. See me I say, no, I am not confirming anything, you know. But based on some words of me hearing that the video there, and that the situation there, do you blame me if I am somewhat wondering if the situation is a real situation or not? Eh? Did you hear some words said in the video? Eh? Well, if it's real, I'm going to be real. If it's real, it have me thinking. If it's real, because I know me still a wonder. It's a way, my people. Anyways, real or not, I hope that video can bring some form of awareness in your subscribers. Yeah, man, I hope so, because there are some things happening out there, and you have to be very careful. Be safe, be careful, you see. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?